Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and you can see your IMEI 1 and also your IMEI 2. And the second method, for this operation you just open settings, then you go to the about phone section and then status information. Here you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and here you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.